going on, guys? Sean here. It is Friday. I think it's 10, 11 o'clock, something like that. Anyway, gonna be doing a shave today. Got, I don't know, I think 5 days of growth. That was the last time I shaved. Which the last video actually I took was the last time I shaved. So, yeah, so today gear we're going to be using, we will start off with the razor. The razor I'm using today is my Boker 5/8. This was done on my large coticule that I have. It was a 1 stone hone. Excited to see how this edge is going to turn out. Brush I'm going to be using is my Yaqi 24mm brush. Soap I'm going to be using for today is the Cajun blade, old number 2. Fantastic stuff. And the pre-shave I'm going to be using is Goodfellas Dawn of Glory. Alright, let's get the face wet. Hope everyone's had a good week so far. Today's Friday, the beginning of my weekend, and hopefully many others out there. Hopefully they don't have to work on the weekend. I almost used my Philly again today, which I was going to use it, but last night I decided I wanted to play around with I've never really got a good edge off of my big coticule, and I played around with it for about an hour last night, and I think I've somehow somewhat cracked the code, I guess. So, that, and then I posted, I got a smaller coticule. It is a 6 by, I believe, 1.6 inches in width. It's a BBW coticule natural combo. And I need to play around with it, but I've been procrastinating about messing with my big stone, actually my first natural stone I ever purchased, which was back from, I forget the guy's name, somewhere up, I don't know, it was New Jersey, Massachusetts, Connecticut. Can't remember who I got it from. I'd have to look, but I was reading in forums, back in 2015 about coticles, and look, just missing the pre-shave. Probably don't need the pre-shave, but I don't know, I still like doing it. Just mix it in with a little bit all right. Anyway, going back to the coticule, my first natural stone that I purchased, the large 8x3 by 1 that I have. It's a don't know what mine it's from. Looks completely different, pattern-wise than the rest of the coticles that I have. So I might post. I'll probably post some pictures in the video. Not that it really matters to me. I actually, even before I bought that coticle, I didn't know about the different mines and all the different natural or variations there are between the stones. But I think that's one of the neat parts about natural stones is you have so many different variations. So all right, took a little too much off down here. But yeah, anyway, let's see how I did on the edge. Let's see. That's really, really nice and really smooth. Heck yeah. No problem with 5 days of growth. No problem. Let's get this a little wetter. Oh yeah, so I've been saying for, gosh, weeks and weeks and weeks now that I was gonna pick up some of the Subtle Art Co.'s soaps so I could try them out, see what I think, and finally reminded myself to buy them today. So hopefully here sometime next week I will have some new soaps to try out. All right. So far, so good. Smooth and comfortable. So, I saw Eric's short that he posted yesterday about some blackened catfish that he was making, and looked really, really good. I haven't had blackened catfish in forever. And then I forgot, like 3 weeks ago, my uncle came by and dropped off a bag of catfish fillets. They're frozen, of course, but I'm probably gonna reach out to Eric and get that recipe from him, as it looked quite tasty. His are probably, I don't know if his are frozen or not, but I do love blackened catfish. Alright, against the grain. Easy peasy. Man, there's just something. Those coticule edges are just super smooth. So freaking smooth. I still love my Jeanette and Arkansas edges, though. Still love them. Left hand action. Ooh, that was way too steep of an angle. Come on, Sean, get it together. No. Gosh, I wish I could take the scales from my right hand and transplant it to my left hand. It's so frustrating. I can't do what I want to do with my left. What I really need to do is take, I think I have like $1 or $2 gold left that I hadn't literally just thrown away. Those are garbage razors. They make, I guess, a nice letter opener, package opener. I think that's what John JPO does with with his golden dollar he's got. I need to figure out what razor I'm going to use to test my little new coticule I got. Which I don't know if I'm going to try to do a one stone hone on that one. Do not know. Alright, so let's see. Got some new towels, and these things just shed lint like crazy. Ugh. My old towers work so much better. Okay, so we're going to go with there's witch hazel, lemon. Throw that on the face. Okay. Then we will go, we're going to go with some Aqua Velva Musk. All right. Tiny bit of burn, but that's normal for alcohol-based aftershaves. At least all the ones that I've ever used. Alright. That was a fantastic shave. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and I will catch you guys next time. Have a good one.